Hi everyone, welcome back to SL Brokerage Hub, your gateway to jobs, finance, and success. In today's video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to start dropshipping in 2025 using AI tools. If you've ever dreamed of building your own online store but didn't know where to begin, don't worry. This guide is perfect for beginners and even for those who want to level up their e-commerce game. I'll show you step-by-step how to find winning products, set up your store quickly, and use AI to handle research, marketing, and even customer support. So stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that can save you both time and money as you launch your dropshipping journey. Dropshipping used to take days, sometimes even weeks, of research and endless product testing. You had to manually search for suppliers, analyze trends, and guess which products might actually sell. But now, things have completely changed. With the power of AI tools in 2025, you can launch your online store in just a few hours. There's no need for a huge budget, no warehouses, and no upfront inventory costs. AI can help you find trending products, write product descriptions, create ad copy, and even run marketing campaigns. In other words, AI handles most of the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on growing your business and making sales. It's faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. And that's why 2025 is the best time to get started with dropshipping. With AI in 2025, the way you run a dropshipping business completely changes. Here's what you can do. Find trending products faster. Instead of spending weeks on trial and error, AI tools like Pippi ads show you what's already selling. Generate product descriptions automatically. No more struggling with copywriting, you'll have professional content in seconds. Design ads and banners in minutes. Tools like Canva AI help you create eye-catching visuals without needing a graphic designer. Use chatbots for customer service. ManyChat and similar tools handle customer questions, upselling, and even follow-ups 24/7. All of this means you save time, money, and effort, and you can finally focus on the one thing that matters most: growing your sales and scaling your business. Some of the best AI tools for dropshipping in 2025 can literally take you from zero to launch in just hours. Let's break them down. ChatGPT/Jasper AI, perfect for writing product descriptions, ad copy, and email campaigns that actually convert. Instead of struggling with words, you'll have professional-level content in minutes. Canva AI, a must-have for designing your store visuals, product banners, and social media posts. With templates and AI-powered design, you don't need to hire a graphic designer. Pippi ads. This is the secret weapon. Pippi ads lets you spy on winning products and high-performing ads from other dropshippers. You'll instantly know which items are trending, which creatives are working, and what's worth testing, saving you weeks of trial and error. And if you want to give it a try yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below. AutoDS, or Oberlo Alternatives, for product sourcing, inventory sync, and order fulfillment. This means you can automate the boring parts of dropshipping and focus on growth. ManyChat, for AI-powered chatbots that handle customer service, upselling, and follow-ups 24/7 without you lifting a finger. When you put all these tools together, you create a fully automated dropshipping machine, one that finds products, markets them, fulfills orders, and even handles customer support. That's the power of AI in 2025. Depending on your niche and marketing strategy, new dropshippers using AI can earn $500 to $2,000 per month. As your store grows, it can scale to thousands of dollars, all while running 90% automated. That's the real power of combining AI with dropshipping in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on finance, recruitment, business growth, and online opportunities. We've got more guides, tips, and insider strategies coming your way, all designed to help you build wealth, land your dream job, or grow your online business with the right tools and knowledge. This is SL Brokerage Hub, your gateway to jobs, finance, and success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.